Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I will be using the clay marks on my hair. I haven't tried this before. This is the very first time I'm trying this, but let's see how this will go. So I will be starting with the Indian healing clay. I used half cup of this, and I also added half cup of apple cider. Then when I added it together, it wasn't giving me the right consistency, so I added more of the apple cider into this. I wanted a very smooth, very smooth consistency. I wanted something like relaxer kind of consistency. Like I wanted something that would be able to go through on my hair, right? You know what I mean? So as you can see, I'm just stirring it together. I already think I got the right consistency. I got like something I can work with. So when I got the right consistency, I started by sprinkling my hair with water because I wanted my hair to be a little bit damp, and I started applying it into my hair. So as you can see, I took a little section, then I added the mixture into my hair, and I was using that to finger detangle my hair. But what I noticed while applying it was that I could see, like, I could feel my curls. My curls were coming together, and I was like, okay, I think this is going to come out right. So I was able to see my curls. My curls were more defined, and I really like that about this. So I applied the mixture all over my hair, and I just waited for 30 minutes for everything to get dried up. So after waiting for 30 minutes, I decided to wash this off. And when I rinsed it off, oh my goodness, my hair felt so soft. I'm like, what? I really need to do this like once in a month. Like, this was super soft and my curls were defined. Like, I really loved it, and it just gave me, like, normally when I wash my hair, I wouldn't be able to like pack it to the back immediately, but this was so soft and I was able to like pack my hair to the back. So what I did was I just added some vitamin E oil on my hair, and that was it. Trust me, I will be doing this like once in a month because I feel this thing really worked on my hair. Like, it really made my hair feel so soft. So thank you so much. Please, please, please kindly like, share, and comment on this post. I would really, really love that.